It's crispy다. bacon.
The honey is super thick.
차가워서 그렇지. 지금 추워서. 맛있게. Good morning to the crew. Today breakfast is crumpet with bacon. And after finish our breakfast, we're gonna organize our stuff and then walk to that point, like a northeast point in UK by land. And after that, we're gonna have a little bit long drive in NC 500. I think it would take 3 hours with our car. So today we are gonna focus on the coastline, beautiful driving road. We're walking towards the northern point. Oh my god, today is sunny, guys, sunny. We always start with rain, but today is sunny. Look at that, the air is so clear. You can see way further up there. Lighthouse too. Yesterday we saw the lighthouse from our van. It was kind of cozy feeling. It's windy, but I'm glad that we have some sun today. I can see really well. Great view of birds flying. Yeah. This place is Dunnet Head, and like what kind of animals you can see it. I thought that was a penguin because the Google map we saw. Oh my God, Mark, we can see the penguin, but actually it's not. It's a guillemot and puffin and razorbill, and other things you can see in the wildflower too. Today's visibility is good. Maybe we can see, right? Hi. I wish that I can see some animals. They say because I really wish I want to show you guys, because when we are in Senegal we show the hippos. It's quite tiny because our zoom lens didn't work. The perfect timing didn't work. We show a glimpse of it and then show you the Pumbaa in Mauritania. But this time I want to show other things too. I hope. Let's cross a finger. 이럴 때 망원경이 필요한가 봐. 제발 나타났으면 좋겠다. Guys, I think the northeast point we can go through is from here through going around the lighthouse. But here they say that no public access, residents only. So I do not think we can cross over there. So where we can go to the northeast point right now for the public is like there where we went. And then I was kind of wishing for the see the whales. But yeah, anyways, that is the point that we can go. But anyways, we are in the northeast point of UK by land. It's really nice, like a nice lighthouse, and the weather is just make everything great.
You got water?
You got a water? Yeah. Okay, that's good. We don't know how long he's gonna be stuck in here, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's hot. Yeah. The sun, huh?
So right next to us there is a van. When we got here yesterday, the van was there, and in the morning we had a time to talk. Actually, Mark talked with him, and then his car is broken right now. Breakdown, right?
Yeah, his brakes are stuck. His front brakes.
Yeah, so he asked, Mark asked him when you can fix that, and then he said 2 days later.
Yeah.
So before we leave, we want to make sure that he has water or something. But he has it, so that's good. But 2 days later, it would be really, really bad weather. So hopefully he can get out this place.
I hope so too.
Yeah, tomorrow. At least tomorrow.
Time to get gas. Lucy's getting water. Hello.
Guys, we fill up the gas, and then at the same time, we had a little bit of hard time to use a parking machine because of we don't have the coin. And second thing is our green credit card doesn't work at all. So I was like, yeah, we gotta break down. And then Mark went inside the gas station. So the lady break down the 20 pounds. Look at this, well packed. So we don't need to worry about the parking machine anymore since we have coin. And then Thursday is really nice town.
Look at this view.
I know.
Wow.
Yeah, ocean view, baby, ocean view. We're at the Little, and then we are gonna buy a toilet paper and a Mark snack.
Donald's son haggis.
Produce in Scotland, so only Scotland
Should be
Little.
good.
Yeah. let's get three.
The smallest one? Okay, good. That's the one? Lemon juice. Yeah, yeah. That's perfect. We get that one for free, so let's get it. Alright, I get my keys out. Ready to go? If we just had Highland cows here, it would be perfect.
그러니까.
Please though. Sauce. Let me try a little bit first. Much better.
소리가 없네. Guys, we were thinking to like just drive today, and then we found there's like on the maps like Popping Cove, so we want to try to see it. So why not? So we just parked our car next to the road.
I think that's the trail, right? There's a big muddy patch over there.
허니야, 우리 바보다. 저기에 길 있잖아. 웃긴다, 웃겨. 여기 길 있네. 괜찮은데? 더 핸드머야.
What happened?
빨리가 왜?
Come on, you do it.
야, 내가 하이킹 부츠 어제부터 꺼내지 그랬잖아.
The further you can step, the better.
아, 버터맨!
There. Just there.
아니야.
Look how deep I went to the mud.
You wanna see?
Yeah, nice. Alright, we're almost there.
Next time, just like have the hiking boots and the rubber shoes right away.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's really spongy here. This must be a peacock here, huh? Yeah, I want to walk on it. It's so spongy. It feels kind of cool.
잘 발견했지? My honey's wish is kind of come true.
Maybe this red stuff here is the peat, huh? You can
내
see.
생각에 그거 맞는 거 같아.
Oh yeah, it is. Look at this.
맞지, 맞지?
Yeah.
그래.
That's why it's so spongy here. There you go.
Wow.
That's the peat. Just underneath it's like this dead. That's all compost there.
근데 이렇게 하이킹 할 거면 진짜 여기까지 오는 장화는 신어야겠다.
Ah, we're okay.
왜?
We're fine.
야, 내 다리, 내 발이 젖었는데 네가 왜 파이냐? 내가 파이냐?
Oh, it's so spongy, right?
You're squeezing it.
Just like this. Oh, that water coming out. Wow. You hear it. Yeah, probably, huh? Yeah, it's just like it's all like a sponge.
야, 재밌다 근데.
Alright, start looking for those puffins.
I got wet again. 아, 저기를 말하나 봐.
Yeah, we definitely don't have the right shoes to get down there. Yeah, just keep following this one and we'll see if we can see them from up here because
저렇게 가는 게 right turn.
there's no way we're going to be able to go down with these shoes. Ooh. And if you trip, fall to your left. Amazing. Oh, holy smokes, look at that fall.
Mark is way up there, and I found the kind of water stream. Looks like water from here. Look at that, it's so fast. And I can see along there people have a hiking trail on the edge too. That's amazing. Look at this. Oh wow. I don't see puffins. I don't see that many birds. So maybe it's not a season or maybe bad timing. I'm not sure. But one thing I know, it is really pretty here. It's really nice. You can see the tea color water over there. I can see the birds, like little birds over there, but I'm not sure it's popping or not because we don't have binocular. But yeah, I hope that. Just imagine. But itself is really nice. 아쉽지만 we try our best.
Yeah, we tried our best. That's all we can do.
최선을 다했어. 야 양말 버리고 싶은 비주. 아 시연이 일부러.
Sorry.
sorry. 야 발톱에도 됐어요.
Right? Those round ones. This guy fooled me. Sorry. Stubborn.
Don't even wanna move, huh? White beach다, white beach 현이야.
Oh yeah, here's one of the parking spots here.
In 200 yards, your destination will be on the right.
The other ones are like up on more closer to the beach over there. This one still has a spot over here, just to let you know. Oh, that's a really pretty beach, huh?
너무 이쁘다 아니야. 색깔 봐 색깔.
Oh wow.
Keep left 아니야.
Yeah. Oh, this is the other spot here.
Your destination is on the right.
Nice.
I think the other spot is better, huh?
I feel like a flat.
Yeah, it's pretty flat, yeah.
Guys, we are at the place we're gonna sleep. Oh my god, it's just crazy. Look at the color of the beach. Look at that, it's like crystal blue. Even there's no sun, covered by the cloud. Look at that. It's like a Mediterranean sea, right? Color in there. And then look at the white sand beach. Oh, I'm so annoyed because Scotland is so beautiful. Every time, just my heart stopped. Like, okay, this is the place we're gonna sleep tonight. Guys, we parked right next to the road. There's a parking lot. Look at this view. We can see from the van, our tiny window. But man, that's amazing. It's a really perfect spot for us. Everyone said that you guys need to go to Scotland. I think, yeah, I understand why. I mean, if it is okay, I want to camp 2 nights here, if the weather is okay. Good morning, TV crew. We slept well, and in the morning we want to go to beach and check it out a little bit. And one thing I noticed that yesterday I didn't know, but there's a zip line. It's like people were there and with a helmet and everything. I noticed like, oh, okay, that is right there. But anyways, we are gonna go down and see the beach. Look at this. Today weather is pretty good. Actually, it's really amazing. Yesterday was sunny, today's sunny, and then I can see the color better today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, gotcha.
Oh!
I gotcha.
Hello. Good job.
Thank you.
아, nice beach, honey야.
Yeah, really nice beach.
우리 꽤 많이 내려왔네. Water is not that cold, honey야.
It's good.
Feel it. Feel my hands.
Yeah, it's not that
Right?
cold, yeah.
In the morning, I was thinking to bring my coffee and then drink on the beach, but if I did it, I would have, I bummed myself. I never expect that the coming down and maybe that steep. Maybe that's the reason why there's not many people right now.
Alright, I'll follow you up. You can do it. That's actually much easier going back up, huh? Back. So again, Silver.
Keep left to the honey야.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so weird to drive with these boots on.
Guys, we are leaving, and our goal today is find Highland cows. He said Highland cows.
Cool.
Cows. So hopefully we can see them today. Let's cross the finger. I wanna see.
Wow, stunning, huh? I don't Seeing your Highland shoes today, baby.
Guys, we tried like a first try for the to spot the Highland cow. Yeah, we didn't see, unfortunately, but the way the drive is amazing. First try, I couldn't find them, but it's alright. It's alright, right?
It's alright.
Yeah, everything is good in the hood. Guys, we found the Highland cow. Just wait a second. Oh my god, the garbage everywhere. Okay, I need to get the camera, the picture. We drive, didn't expect at all, and then we found it, and then we just like park it right away. Oh, we don't care. We didn't even lock the door. Maybe we didn't even lock the door. Oh, 어떡해 보인다, Karen. 어떡해. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, this is Highland cow. I don't want to scare them. I don't want them to run away. He's looking right at us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think. 카메라 놔둬야겠다. Guys, I was quite, like sad that before. Like, oh my god, there's no Highland cow in Highland. But oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, I didn't expect that we were gonna see, but to be honest, so we were thinking that like, yeah, we are gonna go to farm. Maybe we have to pay the kind of Highland cow tour or something like that. But I really don't want to do it. But if we cannot see it, that would be last option. But Highland cow is in Highland. That's true now. I see it now. You're everything everyone else is not. Hello there. Nice to meet ya. You only show me pooping.